टू द इंग्लिश वाली चैनल एंड टुडे आई एम गोना स्पीक दैट क्या आप भी अंग्रेजी बोलना चाहते हैं? यदि आप भी अंग्रेजी बोलना चाहते हैं तो जुड़िए द इंग्लिश वाली चैनल पे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सारे कंटेंट आपको मिलेंगे इंग्लिश में और आपकी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करने में हमारी वीडियो बहुत प्रॉफिट मीन्स दैट बहुत काम करेंगे. तो प्लीज़ join the English Wali channel and subscribe the English Wali channel. And today I am going to speak that why should learn during doing mistake, because it is important when it is very important when you are doing a lot of mistake and you are thinking about yourself, I am null and void, I am nothing in front of, or don't think it is a not good, it is not good thought. Okay, when you will do mistake, after that you will learn. It is a good sense, it is a positive sense, and when you will accept that it is not my fault, it is a part and parcel, it is a part and parcel in my life. When I will do mistake, after that I will learn everything and I will improve myself. And it is not important that you are null and void. Yeah, you are null and void right now. Suppose that you are null and void right now, but one day you can become a big gun. It is a most important than you are learning. Firstly, learning is not learning process is not decide that what is your career, what is your future, because even you will not do mistakes. So who will do mistake? So that's why I am speaking frequently. Please do mistake and you will learn. And please keep on thinking positive. Don't think that I am whatever I am doing, it is wrong. Yes, you can do mistake, but yeah, don't do mistake, don't do mistake knowingly, because I am speaking frequently that you are doing mistake without knowingly. So after that you will learn many things, but you are doing mistake knowingly. So after that you will not get many things. Yeah, I am speaking because it is much important. And yeah, wrongness is not decide your career, wrongness is not decide your future. When you will do hard work, after that one day you will become a big gun. It is much important. And yeah, I when I speak that please don't think here and there word, because it is not matter when you are speaking right or wrong, because I am thinking about yourself that you are thinking a lot of that. I accustomed to do a lot of mistake, but it is a human nature and you will not do mistake. So who will do mistake? Because mistake is a part and parcel in your life world. And do you know that it for that jaise ko taisa? Firstly you should you will have to know one thing, that you will not do mistake. So who will do mistake? And we can speak that wrongness is your best friend. Wrongness is your best key. When you wanna become a big gun, you wanna become a big leader, you wanna become a big leader, a big man, that type. Okay, because wrongness is not decide your career. I am speaking frequently. And yeah, when you will do a lot of mistake, and you are learning hurt and soul. So after that you will get many things, because even I have heard one thing. That wrongness, struggle is not decide your own life, because one day you can become a big gun. We can speak that age is not decide. We can speak luck is something decide when you will do hard work in the right way, because it is a most important. Yeah, I am speaking fair and square, because it is a most important. And I am looking that someone think that when I will do mistake, so after that someone will think about myself, and someone will think about myself, someone will think negative word in myself. But no, who is thinking about yourself, who is not thinking about yourself, it is not your work. Firstly you have to know one thing, that you are important in yourself, not anyone. Okay, so please keep on doing mistake. After that you will learn that what is your wrongness. Firstly you should know about yourself, you should know about your wrongness. After that you should increase, because when you will increase yourself, after that you will get many things that we should do, yeah, not. And as so for as I am concerned that when I will not do mistake, so who will do mistake? When will I learn? Because it is a age. And when I will not do mistake in this age, in this era, so who will do mistake in this age? Who will do mistake in the era? Because it is much important. I am not rank and file person. Yeah, I am very fair self, because it is important fact. Yeah, I can speak black and white, because it is much important. So for as I am concerned that you are doing mistake, after that you will get many things. Yeah, I have felt and I have experience. That's why I'm speaking sequentially, because without experience I can't speak. And yeah, I'm speaking something. I am speaking something lips and bounds. According to you, yeah, according to you, yeah, according to you, not it is not important. But yeah, I can feel myself. Yeah, I am speaking lips and bounds. I am speaking gradually. It is not matter that I am speaking sequentially. Yeah, I am speaking gradually, because I am speaking, and yeah, you know very well, and you are listening my word. That's what I'm speaking, because it is most important. And I am speaking apple pie order. I am speaking apple pie order in view of you. But according to me, I am not speaking apple pie order, and I am improving myself day by day, because it is most important. When you have learned this, you have learned this language, and you have learned something. After that, you will look in your side that what is your fault, what is your weakness. After that you will get many things that yeah, it is my fault, and yeah, I will improve. After that you will get that yeah, I have become a big gun, because yeah, I know all things, and I know apple pie order, that how to increase myself and how to make my personality. That's why I'm speaking that don't fear during doing mistakes, because it is the most important, and it is a part and parcel in your life when you wanna become a big gun. And you have you'll have to heard one thing that Mukesh Ambani, Dhirubhai Ambani, and Elon Musk, and very popular man, because he has done a lot of mistakes. He has done a lot of mistakes. That's why he has become a big gun among society, because without doing mistake, you cannot become a big gun. You cannot become a big gun. Yeah, I'm speaking black and white, and I'm not speaking here and there word, because it is the most important, and you are doing a lot of mistake, and without knowingly. So after that you will get many things. I am speaking black and white, and yeah, I have felt. That's why I'm speaking. And we can speak that wrongness is your best friend, and don't think that wrongness is my weakness, wrongness is my enemy. No, one day you will become something. But you have sorry, you are not doing any mistake. So when will you do mistake? Because it is a life, and you are human. So yeah, you are doing also mistake, because it is a human nature. Without doing mistake, we can't stay online. That's why I'm speaking frequently. Please do mistake. After that you will get many things, that it is right, it is not right. And here no one is no one is key and key. That's why you should know in yourself, not any self. And don't think about anyone, that who will think about yourself, who will not think about yourself. And you are not key and key, and you are not part and parcel in damn life. Firstly you'll have to know one thing, that you are part and parcel in your life, and you are key thinking in your whole life. Because when you are doing mistake, after that you will get many things. Yeah, I can speak black and white, that please keep on doing mistake, and without knowingly. After that you will get many things, that that I have done mistake, and I will improve myself. Please improve yourself without fearing, because when you are not improving yourself, so one day your weakness is wait a minute. Yeah, your weakness is your burden, means that burden, बोझ. ओके, बोझ बन जाएगा. I can speak beer and tear. I can speak black and white, not beer and tear word. Okay, and please improve your fault. After that you will become a big gun, because your weakness, one day you right now you will not improve your weakness, so one day your weakness will become your burden. So that's why firstly you'll have to know that please improve your weakness, because हार के आगे जीत है. So firstly you will have to know that that I am doing mistake. So who will think? And okay, someone will think about yourself. So how many day, how many month will they think about yourself? Firstly you should ask in yourself. So then at last you will get answer that yeah, one day all person will forget my weakness, and only I am only I will feel that yeah, it is my weakness, and it was my weakness, and it is my weakness. And I can't do improve my I can't do improve my weakness, because it is because I haven't done. But when you are feeling that yeah, it is my weakness right now, I am speaking right now. So after that you will improve your weakness. And yeah, when I speak as if I am speaking about weakness, in the same way I am speaking about English weakness, because someone will think about yourself, that yeah, I am speaking this type, I am speaking, no sorry, she will I am speaking this type, so she will think about myself that yeah, I don't know. That's why I don't wanna speak in front of her, in front of him. So it is your very bad thing. Yeah, it is your very bad thing. It is not very good thing, and it is not very positive word. It is a very bad word in view of me, because you are not doing mistake. So who will doing mistake? Who will do mistake? And it's not matter that you have know all thing. You have all ideas. You have all experience. No, you have know about any we can speak that profession, means that yeah, suppose that I am speaking in front of you guys. Okay, so I am speaking something wrong word, and you are feeling that yeah, I am speaking wrong word, but you will think about myself that yeah, she will speak something wrong. She is not speaking any wrong word because she knows that how to speak English. But yeah, I can speak black and white that yeah, I can do mistake because right now I am learning, and yeah, when I am learning, so yeah, I am doing mistake because it is a part and parcel in my life. It is my positive thought. That's why I am speaking that please do mistake, and after that you will get many things, because I have felt. That's why I am speaking frequently without any reason. I cannot speak in front of you that guys, please do keep on doing mistake without knowingly. After that I can speak something word, means that something word about English. But I'm speaking about this topic, means that it is a much important rather than speaking. When speaking is part and parcel, then you will not do mistake. So you will not do mistake in English subject. So when will you learn? Because five finger is not equal, and you will not do mistake. So you are God. That's why you are not doing mistake. But even you wanna become a big gun. So firstly, you should know one thing, that don't fear during doing wrongness, because wrongness is your teeth and key. Wrongness is your best friend. Wrongness is your best version. In best version is improve yourself. Firstly, I wanna speak apple pie order, that please keep on doing mistake. After that you will get many things. And yeah, keep on speaking English, because without speaking English, you will look among society null and void person. That's why I'm speaking that you are doing something well, you are not doing something well, it is not important. But you should learn English language. It is most important, and you know very well that upcoming generation will speak English language, not Hindi language. So that's why you should learn this language. Okay, bye guys.